Okay, so this is the Edelkrone V6 slider, the slider plus V6. So what's the problem? Okay, V6 over here. What's the problem when we adjust the position? Look, sound like this. I don't know, feels like something are grinding or what's just some weird sound happening over here. So when you push and pull and when the motor are moving, you can hear that little just some sound over here. So I don't know what's the problem and how to fix it, because if I want to fix it by myself, we need to just take it apart. But I don't know, is it okay to do it, or how to take it apart, or is there any way to, but basically I don't know where is the sound coming from. It feels like the wheel or the belt, I don't know, but the old one doesn't have this problem, but the new one, yeah, we have some weird sound over here. Yeah, the motor is quieter than this weird belt part, so I don't know what should we do over here.